friends, Running Kimono. In today's video, we're going to look at curbside deals, meaning you're ordering this stuff through your phone or desktop computer and then driving to the store and picking it up, pressing this blue button on the left-hand side, and this is lovingly dubbed as a curbside order. So double triple check that the Walgreens app is up. I know that it was down for most of Monday afternoon into the evening. And I have no explanation why this happens. It just happens periodically, but I think a bunch of different apps were down. So something was probably up. Who really knows? But yeah, if you're getting like no coupons and this message, obviously my Walgreens will not be working in store. So just be mindful of that as well. And again, I don't have an explanation. I don't work for Walgreens, so I don't know why the app was down. I did post a video on Monday about this deal in store or online. I know a lot of you did score the very cheap Revitalift before the system took a bad turn. But it is an opportunity to get some very cheap Revitalift skin care, and I know a lot of you really love these sort of deals, so you might want to check it out. There's an elusive $18 in digitals and some other magic in this. I'll link this video at the end. Okay, so let's hop right into this. A couple of you sent me this message that $109 Tiffany perfume down to $27.99. Definitely would use some Walgreens cash. Unfortunately, I could not add this to a basket. Maybe they just do not sell this fanciness where I live, or who really knows. But if you live in a bigger town, if you can add it to your basket or maybe find it in a store, let me know. I don't believe they sell this at my stores around here. It's just a very, very prestige line. But if you can track it down, let us know. And if you could do me a huge favor and like this video, really helps out the channel with the YouTube algorithm. Take a second and give it a thumbs up. Okay, diving right into this, deal number one. We are going to throw in 2 of the Toms of Maine. The promotion for these are buy 2, get $3 back for each. We're also going to load this digital coupon, which is a 3 off of 2. To the basket, we're also going to throw in, this is going to be a lot of candy right now, so you got the good toothpaste and the bad candy. 1 Kit Kat, and it has to be one of these specialty, like birthday. They have a whole bunch of them, but just like clip this coupon and then see the specialty ones that are attaching. Also, we have 3 of these Reese's peanut butter cups, and we have 2 digital coupons that are attaching with. We have a manufacturer and then an IVC, so load both of those. If you used them both last week, maybe you could throw in some Puffs tissue because there's $1 off too. So the basket is $16.22, IVC coming off, free curbside pickup, 60 cents in tax, $5.25 in manufacturers melting off for a subtotal of $10.57. I would use $10 in Walgreens cash and earn back the 6. Deal number 2, we're going to throw in one of these $4 Dial body washes, and that's a really good price point, especially for a pharmacy, and it's a 16-ouncer. On Sunday, we got this very generous $1.50 digital, so make sure you have that one loaded. Next item that we're going to grab are 2 of these Can2 masks on a buy one, get one 50% off promotion for $4.48, and then 2 of the Reese's candy bars for $2.50. Now we're going to load these coupons that include a 4 off of 2 for the Can2, and then for the Reese's or Reese $1.25 IVC and $1 digital coupon. Hopefully you still have them. Looking at the overall basket for this, my friends, it's $10.98, 50-cent IVC, free curbside pickup, a bit of tax in the mix, $6.75 melting off. I would use $4 in Walgreens cash and pay 24 cents and call this a really great basket. Okay, for our next deal, we're going to be grabbing a couple old and then a couple new products. So 2 of the Can2 masks for $4.48 and then 2 of the Children's Crest for $6 on the nose. This digital coupon, which is a $2 off for the Kids Crest, and then here's the promotion for Kids Crest. Buy 2, get $4 back in Walgreens cash for that product. For the Can2, you're going to load this 4 off of 2 digital. Okay, so your basket is $10.48, free curbside pickup, 63 cents in tax, $6 melting off, $5. I would roll $5 in Walgreens cash and you're going to earn $4 back. So basically like $1 for all of this, a very good deal. Okay, the last deal that we have, the first item we're going to grab is 2 boxes of the General Mills cereal. Cinnamon Toast Crunch currently is the only cereal with an IBOTTA rebate, and we're going to load that dollar off 2 digital. We're also going to grab 2 for $5 the Dentac Picks and load this 2 off of 2 digital coupon for the picks. And then we're going to grab, I think, 3 of these puffs and load the dollar off 2 digital. Okay, so here's our overall basket. 3 of those puffs for $4.97, 2 of the Dentacs for $5 on the nose, and then 2 of the Cinnamon Toast Crunch for $3.98. So the overall total is $13.95, free curbside pickup, 60 cents in tax, and $4 melting off right there for a total of $10.55. I would use $10 in Walgreens cash and pay 55 cents and call this a really good deal. And then you're going to get your receipt from your store, so hopefully you can get a receipt and then make that submission to IBOTTA. Alternatively, you can electronically link your IBOTTA and your Walgreens account. Pretty easy to do if you can't get a receipt at your store, just an alternative way to do it. I understand this curbside shopping isn't for everybody. A lot of you want to go to the store, see what they have, touch and feel and smell, and make sure that you're getting the right deal. So if you want to check out my haul video, I will link it right here. And I got some smart deals, including like really cheap body wash in this haul for 44 cents, which is pretty cool. As always, thanks for watching, and we'll catch you in the next one. Bye, guys.